Hi guys, it's me, Laura, and today I wanted to show you some of the fantastic outdoor furniture that we got to experience at one of our beach houses that we go to. So we got several weeks there and it's several years in a row. So I know these have been here for at least 3 years and they are perfect for us. The wear and tear of the adults and the children that crawl all over this thing is fantastic. The arms and the base are super sturdy, sitting right on the ground. It has that nice wicker feel, but super sturdy. Now, in regards to this set, it is a beautiful color. The cushions are super comfy, so no matter how long you're sitting there just chillaxing by the pool, it is perfect. It has the nice backrest to where you can lay your head back on there for a little bit more extra comfort, and the chairs are outstanding. The arms and the base, they go together with the furniture like coffee tables and couches, but I just wanted to show you some of our favorites that we got to experience this summer. This is definitely one of them.